Hi friends. My name is Desmond. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my very first intro video to kickstart my YouTube channel. So, you may be curious, why is my YouTube channel name as The Hard Money Guy? It is because this is to describe myself, a person who believe in hard money. So, what does hard money means? It refers to a currency which is in harder form, takes time to produce, and with limited supply and scarce. And lastly, has the ability to protect your purchasing power by maintaining a stable value over the long term. A very good example of hard money is gold. Unlike the fiat currency, which is soft paper money, like cash, they can be just printed unlimitedly by the government with the push of a button, especially during the pandemic back in year 2020, where the Federal Reserve have printed approximately $3.3 trillion and injected into the market. So, what is the consequences? It has caused the US dollar losing its value over the long term. Take a look on this chart on how badly is value of the US dollar has lost his value since the year of 1910. Gold has thousands of years of history, and they are perceived to be valuable by the people around the world. However, gold has one deadly limitation, that is heavy in weight, and it's very difficult and costly to move around for business transaction. It has failed to serve as a good money in the modern days, where majority of commercial transaction today is done online via the internet. This is very true after the emerge of online shopping platform like Amazon, Apple, and Shopify. All the payment settlement are done online over the internet in these prominent platforms. So, the world needs a new form of money, which bring convenience for online payment. The current world need an internet money. And guess what is the best candidate? That is Bitcoin. Wait a second. You may think that how could Bitcoin be a form of money for business transaction over the internet for now, since the price of Bitcoin is so volatile. The price of Bitcoin can go up and down so wildly within number of days or even in hours. Well, this is the common misconception of Bitcoin. I have the same thought as well about the Bitcoin at the very beginning. But what changed my mind about Bitcoin after I saw the news about Michael Saylor, the CEO of public listed company, MicroStrategy, has made its first Bitcoin purchase back in August 2020 for a whopping amount of $250 million. Not only that, Tesla also announced that they have invested gigantic $1.5 billion into Bitcoin as well in February 2021. These two news have completely blown my mind and it have triggered my curiosity on Bitcoin. I'm thinking to myself, why on earth there are two public listed companies willing to invest such a substantial amount into Bitcoin? Why won't they think it's extremely risky to invest such a big amount into something that is so volatile? It must be something which I have been missing about Bitcoin. This kicked start my journey in digging the rabbit hole to study about Bitcoin, listening to countless podcasts, interviews, and read many books and articles about Bitcoin. After several months of continuously study and research about Bitcoin, I was blown away by the huge potential of Bitcoin. Bitcoin is designed to be better, faster, and stronger than gold. Bitcoin can be transferred between two different persons in a split of seconds by using the Lightning Network without having to rely on third parties, like banks. This also led me to discover ugly history of the fake money, the fiat currency, which is a very bad monetary system which steal our labor time and wealth over a few generations. I will cover all these topics in the future about the history of money, and what criterias that the Bitcoin has in details to be a good and hard money, so that you will understand the importance of Bitcoin invention. Stay tuned. Bitcoin is the greatest money invention in the human history. It's here to solve the fiat money problem, and allow you to have self-custody of your wealth. No one can take away or steal your wealth. Other than the transaction speed, Bitcoin is also designed to have limited supply, with only 21 million coins to be mined. So it is scarce in nature, so it can protect our purchasing power without leaking over the long term. Bitcoin is to be considered as digital gold, something which is way easier to be portable or transferred around than gold. I will cover more on the Bitcoin's properties and detail technical knowledge in the upcoming videos. If you enjoy this video so far, please help to hit the like and subscribe button to help to support the channel. Bitcoin is proven to be the hardest money in the world ever created in the human history. I realized that I have the duty to share this great invention of internet money, the Bitcoin, to all the people around the world. The fastest and the best way for me to achieve that is through social media platform like YouTube, so that I can reach more audience. Therefore, I decided to create my own Bitcoin-related channel in YouTube to spread the correct Bitcoin-related information and latest news, so that people can get the right information about Bitcoin. If you are new to Bitcoin, who wish to know more about Bitcoin, or you are a Bitcoin believer like me, you have found the right place. Please make sure to stick around and subscribe to my channel for future videos. Thanks for your time watching, and see you again. Goodbye.